car's on my stairs.
Your cars are downstairs?
Yeah, my car's downstairs.
What are you playing with?
My plane.
Is that your airplane?
No,
No? Whose is it?
my plane.
That used to be Daddy's when he was little, huh?
Yeah. It's spliced up my pictures. It's spliced.
It does?
Yeah, it's smoking.
Where are we going to go today?
It's no play.
Where are we going to go?
Play.
Are we going to go to the slide?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where's it at?
Store.
At the store?
Yeah, store.
Do we eat there too?
No.
Oh, I thought it was at McDonald's.
No, it's the store. Papa's not there.
Oh, Papa's not there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hmm.
Can Mama have kisses?
Yeah.
Whoop. Aw, I love you, Knoxy. Who is the sweetest little boy in the whole wide world?
No, what's
Who's Grandma's baby?
Juicy.
Cruzy?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's one of my babies. Who else?
Daddy.
Daddy? Who else is Momo's babies?
Mommy.
Mommy? Who else?
Carmen.
Colin? Mamo got any other babies?
Yeah.
Who?
Caleb.
Caleb. You want to go see Caleb?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Who else? What other babies Mamo have?
Papa.
Papa, yeah, he's a baby, all right. How about Lukey?
Wookie.
Lukey and Sissy, huh?
Sissy.
And Uncle Stevie?
Stevie.
And Aunt Nene?
And Nene. And Allie.
And Allie's. Allie, my baby, too.
No.
No. Okay. Hey, what do you got in your pocket?
Huh?
What do you got in your pocket?
What there?
What's in it?
My pocket.
Yeah, did we put something in your pocket earlier?
Yeah.
Show me what we put in your pocket. What is that?
The bullets.
Is that a chapstick?
Pork steak.
Okay, well, you ready to go to McDonald's and go play?
I want McDonald's.
That's where we're going to go and go play on the swing?
Yeah, I want to play slide.
Okay, well, we got to wipe off the lipstick off your mouth first. Wipe your mouth off. Get Mama's lipstick off of there. Oh. Say, I love you, Mama.
Yay, Mama.
I love you too, Knoxy Poo. Tell everybody bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Blow 'em kisses. I love you, baby.